Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of David's R&R. Today, we're going to be attempting to fix the Self Propel on my Lawnboy 8157 aluminum deck push mower. It's pretty rare, it's an 80s mower. It does run, but today we're going to be trying to make the Self Propel work again. Alright guys, like I told you before, this mower does run, but it's been quite a while since I've started it because I've got it running, put it away, and didn't really do anything else with it. So I'm going to give it a little bit of the system to see if it pops off. It's been a while. Alright, let's get running and see what happens. Alright, so she does run, as you guys saw. She just kind of takes off because of Self Propel doesn't really work. So we'll be diving into that and seeing what's going on. Alright guys, so got the mower out here, got some stuff. I'm gonna start working on the Self Propel, trying to fix it up. So here we go. guys. So we did get the cable off, but I gotta clean some parts up. I'll do that, and I'll get back to you whenever I finish. I'm sorry guys, but I ran out of time today to record this video. I don't have time to finish this. You did see me dive into this a little bit, and I will actually show you a little bit how the propel system works a little bit before I go. But I don't have time today. I'm also going to order a cable for this thing, so yeah, it's kind of a thing. It's going to take part 2, just like that red bike that you've probably already seen that I worked on. That's going to be like, so we'll see you guys later. Look up for part 2. Like, subscribe if you want more content, and we'll see you next time. Peace. So you see my problem, and see what's going on with the mower. So well, I'll show you how this works here. So got these pulleys here. You have a belt running off the engine, and well, your cable, which is right here, I goobered that end up. That cable goes into here, which runs off of a spring, which I don't know if you can see the tab, there's a spring here, spring operated, and that pushes, and then this lever here, it's spring operated, so that whenever you pull, it pulls these two together, and then that will, I believe, disengage the clutch. Whenever you let off of it, it will engage it. That's why without the cable there, it just ran off and took off and went. And this thing goes back here and it pivots. This is a pivoting handle, self-propelled system. So that's how that works. And yeah, key, ignition. These are pretty sweet. These are 2 strokes too. So yeah, catch you all on the next one.